It's time to learn with our friend Clive. So grab your brush, have a great time. And don't forget
Do you like escalators, Jace?
I'm alright if I look down.
Huh?
I'm alright if I look down.
I like if you look down.
What's that Hitchcock movie where, Vertigo, I get vertigo. So I have to look down.
Are we up for some walking, but look at Jason's brought me to another museum. Got a few rooms in there to investigate. This is a Natural History Museum of London, so hopefully we'll see some dinosaurs, because I got my grandson, he loves dinosaurs. So these ones are for you, Daniel. So I hope you're watching. That's an interesting way to get to the toilet. This reminds me of a Harry Potter scene. I'll show you now. I don't know where Jason is. I turn around and it's poof, he's gone. I bet he's gone to look for the sorting hat. Oh, there he is. I turned around and you'd gone poof. He disappeared.
I was having a look at this guy.
Well, that's where I took the video when I came in, look. What we're currently doing here at the moment is I'm lying back looking at Jason. I mustn't make him laugh because we are concentrating. We're painting portraits of each other, and we did forget to set the camera up because it was such a good challenge, in fact. So
Can you just pull a little down off the shoulder?
so yeah, we're just going to continue. I painted Jason, and Jason's painting me, so I'll post them. He's doing that thing. I mean, he's squinting at me. I don't like it. It makes me all shy. And I'm blushing. I've never seen him look so intelligent. Looks like if he knows what he's doing. Because I know I certainly don't. But that's what makes us good artists, because we are not afraid of a challenge. And to actually challenge ourselves is a good thing. Agree or disagree, Mr. Bowen?
I concur.
He concurs. Okay, so I'm going to stop filming now because I want Jason to concentrate. We completed the challenge, 30 minutes, Jason.
30 minutes.
30 minutes
Live
each to
painting.
do a live portrait painting of each other. So how are we going to do this? Right, you hold mine of you next to you.
Okay. Here's me and me.
There's you and you. Just Dumb and Dumber. There, that's the one I painted. Yeah, 30 minutes. I thought that was pretty good for 30 minutes. Not blowing my own trumpet because I'm not a portrait painter, and I've seen watercolours, so that's not too bad. That's pretty good. I think I'm happy with that, my result. So, what do you think of it personally?
I think for half an hour, it's not a bad go with a medium that you're not used to. I think it's difficult. It is difficult. I've done one as well, and it is really challenging to get the proportions right. It's really hard. I've done a bit of life drawing myself, and I always struggle. So.
Oh yeah. Right. So we'll switch the camera.
So here we are with Clive and my painting of Clive. What do you think of this, Clive?
Well, I actually quite like it. Because the way I wasn't really looking at it directly, and I'm tired. So it looks like me after I've walked a long way around London. So I'm quite happy with it actually, Jason. You've done a really good job on that. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the colours and that now in a second, because I did mine. It's more of a tonal painting. But that's what I normally do with acrylics anyway. I go tonally and then I put glazes on top, so perhaps that's a downside for me. But no, as far as your effort is concerned, 30 minutes, good job.
It's time to learn with our friend Clive. So grab your brush, have a great time. And don't forget to click subscribe.